Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix OBS setup or Streamlabs OBS setup for stretch rest black bars fix. So let's go ahead and say that I'm streaming this game right here. And basically, if you go ahead and open a game, sometimes you are playing a stretch resolution. In my case, if you go ahead and take a look at my resolution right here, this is not even 1080p, this is just 640 by 480. So how do you go ahead and fix those black bars? Now, to do so, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the display capture or the game capture. So for example, if we add another source right here, let's click on the game capture, select on our game. In our case, it's going to be the Need for Speed Most Wanted. And from here, if we go ahead and click on the close button, you then have to make sure that the setup is stretched to fit. For example, let's go ahead and click on the game capture here. You just want to navigate through transform, and from here you can then go ahead and simply remove black bars or fit the screen on your recording Streamlabs right here. So you just want to click on stretch to screen or fit to screen depending on your system. Now you can either choose one of this, and from there you will be able to go ahead and eliminate those black bars. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.